Hello, happy traders. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. तो गाइस आज आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये क्या चार्ट है। पूरा मार्केट एक साइडवाइज डेडलाइन से जा रहा है एंड आफ्टर दैट सडन दिस इज a boom from 3 rupees it went up to 360 rupees, guys. Can you imagine what has happened to this? Okay, and after that, within like 3 to 4 or 5 minutes the market rallied immediately in 5 minutes, and then immediately it came down. So what happened, guys? Most of the retail and traders has been trapped. Okay, they could not sell. Most of the broker were like they have no idea, no option. People bought thousands and thousands of contract.
गाइस आज डेट है यहाँ पे 12 तारीख। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मार्केट में बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्यूम आ चुका है, कई मूवमेंट आ चुका है। इसके लिए सारे ब्रोकर वगैरह हैंग हो चुका है। लाइव चल रहे यूट्यूब में, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो सारे ब्रोकर जीरोधा वगैरह सब कुछ में प्रॉब्लम। जीरोधा, एंजल वन, कोटक, धन, बाकी जितने भी ब्रोकर होते हैं, ठीक है, सब में यहाँ पे लॉस देख रहे हो। सब देखो यहाँ पे बर्बाद हो गया 12 लाख का लॉस, क्योंकि मार्केट एकदम से ऊपर गया, एकदम से नीचे गया। यहाँ पे देख सकते हो मार्केट, लोग प्रॉफिट देखा, बुक नहीं कर पाया, नीचे आ गया, वहां पे भी बुक नहीं हो रहा है। ऐसी सिचुएशन चल रहा है। अरे अपने अपने ब्रोकर को टैग करो इस वाले वीडियो पे, ताकि वो लोग इस चीज को जाने। बीएससी को टैग करो ताकि वो लोग इस चीज को, रिटेलर का ऐसे ऐसे जो फंड वाला इशू, ऐसे लॉसेस हो रहा है, ये चीज को रोका जाए। ठीक है, देखो यार, आप लोग अपने अपने ब्रोकर को टैग करो, कंप्लेन करो, देखो अगर कुछ हो पाता है तो।
And after that people lost lakhs, 10 lakhs of rupees, okay, into this. And I'm very much shocked like how this has happened. And just guys go and watch this video for a moment. So guys, after watching this video you might have realized that what kind of havoc which has been created into the market. Guys, don't do hero zero trade. You know, this type of trade is considered to be as a hero zero trade, and the next moment you lose everything. Guys, try to understand. So many people have so many losses, and who is responsible for this loss? By the way, the broker said that even the entire every broker industry, okay, every individual single broker has witnessed this, and they could not fix the Sensex thing because the Sensex couldn't. There was a problem from National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Guys, how this can thing happen? Okay, or even from Bombay Stock Exchange, how this kind of thing happens? Like your trade has been triggered, and now if you want to sell this at over here, okay, which is 11.5, you cannot sell it. At 11.8, you cannot sell it. At 11.12, you cannot sell it. At 11.18, you cannot sell it. At 11 22 you can sell it. Guys, what about this one? If you can buy it over here, if your trade can trigger from here over here to here, then why can't you sell it over here? Why can't you sell it over here? Look, people have sold it. You see, people have sold 320k orders. People have sold more than 300k orders. People have sold more than 270 orders. People have sold like closed these positions like 4 500 orders. Okay, 500k orders. Okay, 500,000 guys order. This is not something, look, just look at this number, 500k. Okay, so the millions of orders has been closed. Now guys, try to understand this. If you do hero zero trade, guys, definitely you will end up losing everything. It may happen someday you make money, and but most of the time you will lose money. I have also tried hero zero trade, friends, and I am telling you I am not successful. I have lost my most of my capital. Guys, try to understand. I'm not successful into the hero zero trade, that's why I don't do it. What's the need for doing hero zero trades? There are so many contracts that you can trade, and literally just have some patience, hold it. Definitely you'll get profit or rewarded, plus just have your proper risk management. Look friends, if you do this kind of nonsense stuff, you will end up losing everything. And please don't blame brokers or don't blame exchange. Whatever the reason has happened, like most of the retail data would have got wrapped somewhere or the other side. There must be some technical glitch or technical error, because it is everything computerized. But if you put your all in your money into just one trade, guys, not even God can save you. Okay, so someday or the other you will lose everything. Now how many people can claim for this? No one can claim for this. There are so many people. How the exchange will handle up this kind of issues? People will lose it, and the next moment you will not say do again the stock market. Those who are those people who understand, okay, they will never do stock market. Guys, बंद करो ये करना. I am telling you, don't go for hero zero trade. If you do it, you will lose it. There's very few people who make money from the hero zero trade, and those are the kind of scalpers. Okay, and you know, in trading, the most difficult part is scalping. If you haven't mastered scalping, just don't do it. And people like so many people, they have not mastered, you know, scalping. It takes almost 3 to 4 years to master scalping, guys. Try to understand this. Once you are a profitable trader, it always take, you know, 1 3 to 4 years to become a profitable one. And once you become a profitable, it will take you like 1 year or 2 years to master scalping. Okay, scalping is something where a trader buys a very big quantity and sell it in a short period of time. Like suppose he or she might have bought at 84 rupees and sold it at 93 or 98 rupees at 10,000, 20,000 quantity. Okay, then he or she might have made somewhere around 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees profit. That is called scalping. Okay, so guys, can you think that you can make enough profit from this? I'll highly recommend you guys don't do this. I understand now we have a everyday expiry. So from Monday to Friday we have expiries, like on Tuesday by, yeah, Fin Nifty, Monday Mid Cap Nifty, then Wednesday Bank Nifty, Thursday Nifty, and then Friday Sensex. Guys, every day we have expiry. So right, guys, don't try to catch this. It's my humble request. Just focus on your simple strategy, focus on your simple plan, try to execute that. I'm telling you, this will is going to be the most painful task for you to implement it on daily basis and execute it on a daily basis with the same mindset, guys. I'm telling you, it is the most difficult job, the most difficult job in the world. It's the easy way to make the hardest money. Try to understand. And if you are successful today, you will definitely lose tomorrow. Without the proper guidance and support, guys, you're not going to do it. So, well, I have nothing much to say about today's analysis. And since today's analysis, if we look about Nifty, guys, all time high, Bank Nifty, everything is all time high. So, what conclusion can I draw from this? No conclusion, guys. Do I need to become an analyst, or do I need some kind of sort of certificates to prove you that its market is very simple? Just keep it as simple. Yeah, market is all time high, so it has to go all time high. Just stay with it, stick with it. Why to do gambling? Why to change your mind so frequently? Okay, don't change it. If you're a bullish, then be bullish. If you see the trend is downward, then be bearish. You have nothing to do with this. It's just simple thing that you don't understand, guys, and you guys end up losing everything. So anyway, guys, this conversation is going to be too long. So try to understand that don't do this type of trades, hero zero trades. It's a famous one on the Instagram. It's too much people are doing it. They are making it out. Well, anyway, I'm not the one who is doing the advertising, but I'm giving you a proper guidance not to do hero to zero trade. don't do any kind sort of speculative trading. This is considered as a speculative one, and definitely the SEBI is going to take a strict action against this speculation income, and you will be charged almost 30% or 40% tax. Okay, so anyway, 30% tax. It's definitely they are going to put it out on it. So well, I'm also against onto this. If they charge a 30% tax on future and option segment, then it's very sad for retail people in India, that those who are trading, because you'll end up losing 30% profit. Okay, now the another uh, like a loss is your brokerage, and the another loss is your taxes, that is GST, IGST, SEBI charges, transaction charges, street charges. Okay, there are five types of charges. So so all your earnings will go in government pockets. So you guys have left with one choice: either stay in India and make government rich, or run to Dubai. That's the only option you left. Okay, so that's the only option you have, guys. Okay. So anyway, I'm not saying that, but this is the reality. Every big investors and every big traders, they have moved on to Dubai in order to save the taxes. So anyway, guys, this is the best place. It was a heaven for Indian people, but eventually I don't see that it's going to be a kind of they will not destroy this heaven, they will not destroy the ecosystem. Well, the purpose of imposing 30% tax is there might be something, must come out something very clearly. That is on 15th July, SEBI has organized its meeting, and on budget day, they will impose like whatever the plan they have after a proper discussion. So the thing is, the retail, they'll try to keep this interest of retail people also, but let's see, let's the finger keep are crossed, because I also don't know whether they will impose it or not. Well, that's a talk for the future, and let's not overcomplicate this thing. Now guys, be careful with this, those of you who are doing over trading trades. And trust me, if you're not, if you have spent at trading less than 4 years, then stop doing hero zero trades. Okay, stay away from the option market or derivatives market. You'll end up losing everything. Try to understand. I know you have seen the money. It's too much money. One can make a lot of money. Here 1 month salary can be made in just 2 3 or 4 hours. But try to understand, it all comes with a cost. Okay, and the cost is something is going to lose your mind. Okay, once you lost it, okay, you will lose your mind eventually, and that's not going to be the sweetest thing for you. So what you have to do is have a simple stable mindset, come to the ground, think clearly, what's my plan, write it down on a piece of paper, then try to execute it slowly, slowly, stick to the plan. Look, if you want to become a successful trader, like how to define a successful trader and how to define a profitable one. Okay, what you want, like there is a like a successful trader has one is the one who has spent almost 10 years, who has the 10 years of experience. And profitable trader, guys, anyone can become a profitable trader. You, me, I, even 5 years 5 standard kid, or a person who has 3 months of experience can become a profitable trader. But how can you become a successful one? Look, guys, to become a successful one, you need to have the entire experience of past 10 years. Okay, knowledge is definitely required, plus your experience. Okay, how to tackle different type of situations, how you are much familiar with the market, what is the current political condition, what is the geopolitical conditions of the nation, where does thing, what is happening, you must have each and every idea. Okay, without that you cannot. So guys, I'll try to keep this conversation now very short for you guys. Well, the conversation may go non-stop, but I hope you will like it and you will stay away from Hero Zero Trade, because who is responsible for the loss? You cannot blame anyone, okay? You can blame only yourself. Once you lose it, use money, you cannot blame anyone, because this kind of gambling, this kind of speculative one. So I think the Bombay Stock Exchange might have slapped everyone, those who try to oversmart market, okay? And I see that this is some kind of sort of, game planning, okay? All the orders has been executed and now you cannot sell it. So this is what happened, you cannot sell it. So anyway guys, just uh, one thing is that don't do it, okay? That's all. So anyway guys, do simple trading and be happy with a limited profit, and then God bless you guys. So happy trading guys.